All right, this is the DEERC four-wheel drive 9201E. So let's open that up and see what we get inside. Right away we get, looks like that might be one of the batteries. And this is absolutely awesome. That is the remote that is in here. So that is your remote. Very cool. Has a quick operation guide. That is your user manual. So lots of cool stuff in here. That's a second battery, so you get two batteries. Pretty cool. Then you get a bunch of accessories. You get a set of running lights that goes up there on top. Very cool. Cleaning brush. And then your battery charger. So this is your battery charger. It connects in like this. And then you just connect that into any USB adapter charger that you have. And then these are your hood locks. Come off nice and easy. Very cool. Then this cover comes off, the skin. Then again, these running lights. They go in there like that. So it goes in there like that. Very cool. I love the look of this whole thing. Independent suspension on all four wheels. Four-wheel drive. Look at those suspension shocks. Your battery compartment is right here. Then that locks in place. So your battery's nice and secure. And then that is where you connect your running lights on top. Just connect that there. Okay. And your remote takes 3 AA batteries not included. So let's get those. We'll get this all charged up, and then we'll go outside and see how it does. So stay tuned.